Hi, this is Cheryl Traxler, and I have this beautiful rainforest behind me. You can hear the beautiful birds I enjoy, and also behind me are tall mountains, and then there's an inlet as well because I live on an island in Alaska. This is a place that you cannot drive to. You have to fly or take a boat. We are off the road system, of course, and it's very unique and fun. I really enjoy living here, and I also have 7 grandkids. Such a blessing. And I remember when my kids were little, I wanted to be home and take care of them and raise them. And so I started a home-based business because that's what I wanted, and I went after it. And I've been doing it ever since, and now I have 7 grandkids. So I have been very blessed. I'm very thankful for that. And I want to share with you something incredible. Hey guys! Now you know I live in the rainforest, so it's raining. Sound of the rain is pretty refreshing though. So anyway, I wanted to talk to you about affiliate marketing for beginners and give you this guide to help you see what's available and what it's all about and what you need. So let's get started. Okay, as an affiliate marketer, you're going to need a lot of things because you're marketing online, so there's things you have to have in place to do that, right? You got to have a website, you have to have an email series, you have to know how to set all that up, you got to know what's converting, and a lot of pieces to the puzzle to create. You have to have an autoresponder to answer, for people to get into email, to find more information out on your site. You have to have an inside page that explains the business, explains what's going on, and what's involved with joining. So there's a lot of things there, and I wanted to get started with that because I'm going to show you how simple it is to get started as a beginner, because it takes time to learn those kinds of skill sets. Can't talk. You know, doing emails, you know, they have to be really good so people respond. You know, you got to have a gorgeous website. You know, you got to have a lot of good things that work together to bring success. It's just the bottom line. And as a beginner, you don't really have those skill sets, right? So it's kind of, but I'm going to show you, and that's the beauty of this video. I'm going to show you that as a beginner, you don't need all these skill sets, you know, because you learn that, and you have multi-six-figure earners that know that, right? And they spend lots of money on getting all this stuff together, but you can't do that, right, as a beginner. So we're going to go step by step through what you can do and how this will work for you and what you can do to avoid any of those pitfalls to get in a business and then realize that you don't really have the skills you need and you're just like stuck, right? Nobody wants that, you know, and it's just no fun. And I want to help you with that. I want to show you my back office. I want to show you how simple it is to get started and how all these skill sets, what do you do with all these skill sets that any affiliate business needs, right? You know, because if people want more information about your business, they're going to want to go somewhere and they want to see it, right? And you're going to need a website and emails and people that can talk to them, and you're going to need someone that sells to them. I mean, after all, when they go in there to figure it out, how's, you know, this whole process is that, and affiliate marketers have to have that kind of process. So I'm really excited to show you what I have to guide you through that process and check every single one of those skill sets off for you so you can do really well in affiliate marketing. That's the beginner's guide, and that's what we're about. So I'm going to go to my back office and show you how this is done. So I want you to stay tuned for the exciting part. So here we go. Hey, now we've come in from the rain, and I want to show you my back office and show you what a beginner's guide can help you with. So, you know, what do you do with all these skill sets that clearly are part of affiliate marketing, well, I'm going to show you some exciting surprises and lead you through this so you can find this out, how each one of those get checked off as a beginner and you can earn money. And first you would start this quick start video. You would go and listen to that when you log into your website back office, and very nicely set up. And then the next thing you would do is go to a Start Here button. You would click on the Start Here button, and this lays out every detail of what you need to do. And the surprise is, and I'm going to tell you about all the wonderful surprises. Okay, the first thing you will do is join our Facebook community, which is where we have a hive of activity. Also, you can get a good layout of what the business is all about, and you can see people posting their income all the time. You can see average people, brand new people, earning money, and that's very key. So our Facebook community is awesome. And then you've got, you register as affiliate marketer. Now this is huge, very big, because our multi six-figure earner put together a cover page, a sales page, email series, like 200 emails, and all of this is, all you have to do is register to get that page, and that is very good. You can check that skill set off, right? Your multi-million-dollar mentor, also she's our mentor. Everybody is mentored by her, and all the trainings are recorded and put in the back office of this group here. And how cool is that? And so all the skill sets that beginners normally, any marketer, affiliate marketer has to have, you don't have to have them here. Already in step 2, those are taken care of. Step 3 is how you can increase your commissions, which are 5 things you do and 5 things you always do. And takes you maybe a couple hours a day. Pretty simple, pretty cool. Let's go check it out. I like this. You'll love this. All right, first is your welcome video, of course, so you want to listen to that. Join the Facebook community. We talked about that, how incredible that's going to be for your people and for excitement and a community that's just, everybody wants to be part of something exciting and a team that's just going like crazy and earning money. That's the key. And then when you get paid, and you will, you put those details, your payment info, in your community of our Facebook community, which is really cool. So set up so perfect. That's one of the things you do every day whenever you get paid. Okay, now we have trainings, and the trainings are excellent, and you have to register for your live training once a week. Learn, and it's incredible. Our multi-six-figure mentor is yours, along with your team, along with the team supporting each other. You won't find anything better. Then we have weekly webinars for people that are coming in the Facebook group, right? For all these people that want to check it out, that want to know what's going on. How can they earn money? I mean, during a pandemic, so many people have lost their jobs. More people than ever need this. And then, of course, your traffic packages. Now, this we're going to stop and talk about, too, because traffic packages are people that have already talked to somebody about joining a business, and they already mentioned how much they could spend, and they've already mentioned how much time they're willing to work every week on their own business. I mean, that's just, you can't get any better traffic package than that. And obviously it's working because not only am I getting paid consistently, all my teammates are getting paid consistently, and we're just having a blast. So that is the traffic packages, and also comes with the system, and we talked about this too, you know, you need a sales deal going on, because who's going to sell the people and get them in? That's also part of this system when you register for the website, and you get the whole thing. You get every skill set that most affiliate programs require checked off for you as a beginner. You don't have to worry about any of them. You just do these tasks right here, and you're good. It's incredible. So let's go back to, okay, that was the task area. Let's go back to the beginning where you hit that. So that's really
the main thing. You know, you go to the quick start, you go click on your start here button, and you know exactly what to do. There is never a problem with you knowing what to do. It is incredible. Best business I've ever been in. And you know, I raised my kids working from home, and this is hands down the best. Now, the beauty is you don't have to think, well, it's probably too expensive for me or whatever, because you can get in at any level, and our bronze level is only $125, and then here's your silver level, $300, and gold is $500, and then you've got the platinum, and each level has lots of things that go with it, is $1,000, and diamond is $2,000. So there is a level for anybody, and you can get started, you can earn money, and you can level up when you can and continue to earn income. And I am so thankful, and it's just a privilege to be able to show you this, to check off all those skill sets, and to know you can get started right away and earn money, because it works. It happens. People are earning money in the first week like I did, and they continue to earn money, and this is how it works. So I'm happy that you were able to come and join me. Appreciate you stopping by and watching my video. And don't forget to hit the bell and subscribe to my channel. Like my video.